What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright, you guys, so your girl has not made a video in so long. I don't even think I've posted a video since the year started, and we's here in March, okay? So it's been a minute, you guys. It's been such a long time since I've last recorded a video, but I promise you guys there is reason. So I have a huge announcement to share with you guys. A very big surprise. I am pregnant. Yay! Yes, you guys, your girl is pregnant. I am pregnant with baby number 2, and I am so excited. These last 4 months have been crazy, okay? Pregnancy at the beginning for me is no fun because I'm sick, I'm nauseous, I don't want to eat nothing, but I'm starving, running to the bathroom, like it is no fun. And so that's why I've kind of been MIA for a while, because I just could not put myself together to record a video. I felt sick all the time, like 85% of the day I felt sick, and the 15% that I felt fine did not last very long. For the whole day I would maybe get 3 hours in total feeling like fine and content, but the rest of the day I felt like horrible. Like it was no fun, okay, you guys? So yeah, I couldn't bring myself to record a video. I couldn't bring myself to edit videos. Like I got videos that I need to edit from way back when, from last year, and I literally just couldn't bring myself to edit the video. I couldn't bring myself to sit and edit because I was just feeling sick all the time, you guys. Like the first 3 months have been no fun. But anywho, your girl is pregnant. I am currently 17 weeks pregnant, 17 weeks and some days, okay? And I'm due in August, and I am so excited. For those of you who might be new to my channel, I do have a 5-year-old daughter already, so this is not my first time with pregnancy. I wouldn't say I'm a seasoned pregnancy person, but I already been through all of this, so I know what to expect and everything. So yeah, I've done this 5 years ago, or technically 6 years ago, back in 2014, actually 2015, when I was pregnant with my daughter. So very excited. I wanted to document my journey then and I didn't, but I am documenting my journey now with my pregnancy. So I have been doing secret pregnancy vlogs since I found out that I was pregnant, so you guys will see all of those videos. I'm gonna edit those videos and post them for you guys, but this video will be first, and then my next set of videos will be like everything that I was dealing with from 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I do want to start a pregnancy series. I'll probably call it Plus Size and Pregnant, and I'll just like update you guys and talk about my journey being pregnant, especially being a plus size woman, because pregnancy can be a little bit different for us, okay? So I just want to document my journey. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. So I found out that I was pregnant on December the 15th, and I took a test because my period didn't come. And not necessarily that me and my husband were trying not to get pregnant. We weren't really, you know, y'all catch the drift. Like we weren't trying to prevent pregnancy. So, you know, well, 2 and 2 is gonna happen. So my period didn't come, and I was like, okay, let me take a test. And I took a clear blue test, and right away it showed positive, or it said pregnant. I like the tests that are digital. I always use a digital test. I don't want to see no lines. I don't want to see no plus. I want it to say pregnant or not pregnant. So I personally like to use the clear blue digital pregnancy test. Those are my preferences. I did that the first time, and I did it again this time. So yeah, I took the test. Literally it showed pregnant like right away, and I was just like, okay. And y'all, I promise you I would have recorded it, but I took the test at like 5 in the morning because I wake up pretty early. I wake up at like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So I took this test, I feel like at 6 in the morning, and there was no way y'all was gonna see my crazy face. And yeah, I couldn't, yeah, none of that. So I didn't record me taking the actual test because it was very early in the day, or in the morning. But yeah, that was the day that I found out So Babe had already left for work, so I wanted to surprise him, obviously. So I will insert a little video of the little setup that my little pregnancy announcement to him. I had left it in the bathroom. I took Scrabble pieces because, funny enough, the day before we had went to Walmart and we had bought Scrabble because we always have like family game night where we play games and everything. So we had just bought Scrabble. So I literally took like the little letters and the little thing that you put the letters on, and I just spelled out daddy of 2, and I put the pregnancy test, and I left it in the bathroom on my mirror, and it was super cute. It's just something simple. So I left that for him in the bathroom. I didn't say anything to him. So when he came home from work and he went to the bathroom, he saw it. Homeboy said he already knew, okay? Cause like he the man, so he know what he be doing, you know. So he said he already knew. So I was just like, well, you mean he already knew? He's like, I already knew. So yeah, that was my little announcement to him. And then we didn't tell anybody right at the beginning, especially with this being my second. Like, I'm not gonna say that I'm not excited, but being a first-time mom has its whole like excitement and stuff, and I just wanted to tell the whole world right away. So with this pregnancy, I was like, okay, your girl's been pregnant before, I'm excited, but I'm gonna wait the 3 months. So we waited the 3 months before we told anybody. And so yeah, so when I went for my 12-week appointment for my ultrasound, my 12-week dating scan, that is when we started telling everybody, because I was finally able to get an ultrasound. I was able to see the baby was okay and developing well and everything. So that is when we started to tell everybody, and that's also the day that we told our 5-year-old daughter. She was very excited. I do have footage of that as well, so you guys will see all of that in my pregnancy vlogs coming up. But yeah, she was really excited. She's been asking for a baby brother or a sister for a long time, a long time. She's been asking for, you know, a little sibling or whatever. So she was excited to hear the news. All of my family is very excited. So for my best friend, I actually sent her an auntie box. So I sent her a little like gift box, and it had a t-shirt that said her name. So I said auntie on it, and I sent her a mug that says look at you becoming an aunt again and shit, and something cute and corny like that. So I sent that to her house, and she just, yeah, she was surprised. She called me on FaceTime, and you know, we talked about it. And then everybody else in our family, my daughter pretty much told. So it saved me the hassle of having to tell everybody. She told everybody. She's like, you guys, guess what? I'm gonna be a big sister, and da-da-da-da-da. So she has been doing all of the pregnancy announcements for the family, which is great because then I don't have to do it. But yeah, just for my husband and my best friend, I did kind of like a special little something for them. But everybody else just got I'm going to be a big sister from Shania. And yeah, so my whole family is very excited. I'm very excited. I am due in August, so I'm looking forward to having a summer baby. Shania was born in October, so she was more fall. This baby will be born August. My due date is August the 17th. So so yeah, fingers crossed that all goes well and I have a happy and healthy baby. Now when it comes to the gender, your girl wants to have a boy, okay? I want to have a boy because I have a daughter already, and I know my husband really wants to have a son, so I personally really want a boy. So fingers crossed that it's a boy. Please send all of the boy vibes, okay? Y'all comment some blue hearts down in the comments. Please send all of the blue vibes because your girl wants to have a boy. But if I'm having another girl, y'all already know how it is, like who run the world, girls. So I already know, like, I'll be so happy if it's a girl as well, because I can buy all the pink in the world, because my favorite color is pink. If y'all don't know, I love pink. I love girly stuff. I love florals, like y'all see the dress, okay? So yeah, I love anything pink and girly. So if I have another girl, I'd be very happy. But for the sake of already having a girl, I definitely want to have a boy, so I can have the best of both worlds. I can have a daughter and I can have a son. So please send all of the boy vibes, okay? I find out at the end of this month what I'm having, so I'm very excited about that. I'm actually going to be doing a gender reveal of this time around. I didn't do a gender reveal with Shania because I needed to know right away, and I had an internal instinct that it was a girl, and she ended up being a girl, so I just knew. But I wanted to find out like right away with Shania. With this one, we're deciding to do a gender reveal. So I have my anatomy scan at the end of this month. I'm just gonna tell them to write it down on a piece of paper. Don't tell your girl, just write it down. I'm gonna give it to my best friend, and she is in charge of the gender reveal and all of that stuff. We're having a gender reveal party here at the house with family, so I'm very excited. I cannot wait. I know deep down it's a boy. I already know, but like, you know, if it's a girl, I'll be happy too. There's no gender disappointment on my end. I'll be happy with either one, but fingers crossed it's a boy. So yes, I'm gonna be having a gender reveal. My gender reveal party will be next month in April, so I'm very, very excited for that. And of course, I will vlog the whole process of planning that and all of that stuff, so y'all will see those vlogs when it comes out. And yeah. So I have a feeling that some of y'all are gonna want to see my baby bump, because with these pregnancy videos, a lot of people want to see the baby bump and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys my little baby bump or whatever. Okay, please note that I'm a big girl already. I had a tummy from before, okay, because my stomach is not on flat, okay, because I'm a big girl. But my stomach is definitely rounding out more at the top. The most of the bulge of my stomach was towards the bottom, but now your girl got a little bump at the top too. So I'm gonna just get up and show you guys my bump, okay? All right, you guys, so here is my bump, a cute little baby bump, my 17-week bump. Now obviously when it comes to your second, third, fourth pregnancy, you tend to show sooner than when it was your first time around. So yeah, up here is definitely more round and actually kind of hard up here. Surprisingly, I didn't expect up here to feel so hard so soon, but yeah, here's my little 17-week bump. That is pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to kind of come out here and share the good news with you guys, tell you guys that your girl is pregnant. And now that I'm feeling back to my normal self, I will be back to posting, so y'all will get all of the regular content from me plus pregnancy related videos too. So yes, if any of you guys out there are also pregnant and due in August, or pregnant in general and due sometime this year or early next year, then definitely comment down below. Let's start a discussion. Let's talk about the pregnancy symptoms that we've been having. Let's just share with each other. So if you guys are pregnant too, comment those down below. And I feel like a lot of people are pregnant low-key. Like for the longest time I didn't know anybody was pregnant, because obviously people keep that to themselves until around 3 months. But I've seen so many pregnancy announcements lately, and I know now everyone's gonna be like, ah, damn, you too, sis. So if y'all are feeling that way, like, oh my god, everybody's pregnant, here's another pregnant girl, comment that down below too, because I feel like a lot of people are pregnant. But I mean, we've been in quarantine, so like, what else is you supposed to be doing with your man? Y'all got what I'm saying? So so yeah, you guys, that is my announcement. I just want to come in here and let you guys know. Thank you so much from now for all of the congratulations and everything that I know is going to be down in the comments. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram. I will be doing a lot more little, you know, check-ins and posts and stuff like that. So if you want to see up-to-date posts and stuff from me, definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna have it here on the screen for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you guys don't miss an upload from your girl. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.